We owned a condo in Palm Springs, California for 21 years. And I thought maybe after I retired that we would probably sell the condo and sell St. Louis after the kids are out of college and moved on. And we would maybe just live and retire in Palm Springs, California. We love mid-century modern. So we decided to bring Palm Springs to St. Louis. Um, had a house in the city built in 1891, turn of the century, and decided to start looking around the area to find mid-century modern. And I fell in love with this neighborhood, the Ralph Fournier design, and the dinky build. It's just I fell in love with this whole little subdivision. So it wasn't lived in for 8 years, and there was holes in the roof. It was just basically almost a tear down. We basically took it down to post and beam and just rebuilt the whole house so it looks original from the outside, but it's basically a new build. Then we took it from 3 bedrooms down to 2. So we have this larger master or primary, and we have a huge walk-in closet, and then we have an ensuite. At the back of the house where the dining room and the kitchen, the wall ends, we added a family room. It's where we spend most of our time. And it just is like the heart of the house. And whenever we finished up the house, we were talking to some landscapers, and I said I want landscaping to look like we're in Palm Springs, like we're in the desert, but I want to survive in St. Louis. So the landscaping you see, there's a lot of natural rocks, some yuccas, and a lot of things that looks like a desert landscape. And then I decided I would like to have a saltwater pool. That's what all the homes in California and Palm Springs have, are saltwater pools. I call it a party pool or a garden pool. It's not real large, but it's great for the family when they come over for barbecues and the kids have a great time. And we have our Palm Springs patio, our Palm Springs pool, and our Palm Springs life right here in St. Louis. I just, love the designs, love, the architecture, just love the area, the location, and it's forever home.